Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about the Business Manager account. This is what we need to run our ads on Facebook. So we need to set this up now because all the pages that we're going to create are going to be run through this, and all the ads that we're going to do are going to be run through this too. It's just a powerful way, and it's a way that Facebook prefers you set things up. So you may have heard about like some people saying, oh, my account got banned. Well, those people are probably doing something bad. And if you have a business manager account, you have a lot more protection because Facebook knows you're doing business on Facebook. It's not a personal ad account. Now, I still have my personal ad account that I use, but I also have a business manager account that I use now, and I'm shifting things to the business manager account more and more. Okay, so you need to go here, go to business.facebook.com/overview. You can read all about it, but at the bottom here, there's a little get started link, and it's just business.facebook.com/create. So we're going to click on that. I already have a business manager account, but this is what you're going to see. Who should set it up? You'll need a primary Facebook page, business info, employees' email addresses. Click next, and then you can go in here. You can do you can be an agency, an advertiser, app developer, or publisher. So I would just put, you can do agency or advertiser, either one. Choose the business. It's e-commerce. How many employees? 1 to 10, 10 to 100 pages that are going to be managed under here. Click on next. Name of your business. So you do need a business name here, and then you're going to create a new Facebook page with this business name on it. Alright. If you work with a Facebook rep, please enter their email. So we'll go through these steps, and then you're going to do your profile, and then you're done. You're going to be able to log into your business manager. So you do need to take this step. You need to complete all this. I could put a dummy one in here, but I'm not going to since I already have a business manager account. Just walk through these steps, create your business manager account, and then we're going to put all your pages under this. We're going to put all your ad accounts under this. And in the future, if you do hire people to help you run your Facebook ads, outsource some people, you can create accounts for them, and you can give them different levels of basically power under the ad account. So you can have people that can only look at reports, and you can have people that can create ads, but they can't really change the budgets and that sort of thing. Or no, not that, but you can have admins, you can have advertisers, you can have all different levels. You can have people that manage your pages only, and you can give them an account under the business manager. There's a lot of different options available to you. It's just the way that people who are doing business on Facebook should be doing it. So if you don't have a business manager account, get there, go create one, because you're going to need it for all the future steps. Okay, it's just a little bit better than running it through your personal ad account, which you already have attached to your Facebook profile, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use our business manager. If you have any questions, let me know, but it's a fairly simple process to open up and create one.